I35equipment.com. This is Komatsu PC 200 LC hydraulic track excavator. It is a -8 series. It does have the work brow bucket and the heavy duty hydraulic thumb. Welcome you to come look this machine over for yourself and bring your mechanic and operator or hire some local ones to accompany you if you like. It is shown by appointment only, and we're open by appointment only, so please give us a call again on calendar. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. Check a hauling quote. We send equipment all over the country, so getting it shipped to you should not be too big an issue. Just fill out the form on our website. Maybe share that hauling quote with you, and we'll run it past several local haulers and a nationwide broker. Let you know what the best rate is that comes back to us, or you can arrange for your own hauling, or if you're so equipped, come pick it up for yourself. It does have the working rear camera. Currently sitting at 60 hours, 7,560. Does have switchable control patterns, weld-on side guards. Seems to be a good digging machine. I believe there's a new lower windshield for it sitting in the office in there. Go ahead and climb up here and take a look around, check it all out. Komatsu diesel motor sounds to be running good. Rockets look real good. We do specialize in consignment sales here, so if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, we help you get that equipment sold. We have folks all over the country looking for good, ready to work equipment. Right there. It does have the factory Komatsu seat underneath the seat cover in here. The hydraulic thumb's controlled by foot pedal. Go through the operation with you. All right. Thumb. See, my foot's operating it here. Nice, solid, heavy-duty thumb. I'm gonna throttle it up a little bit. Go ahead and show you it's got excellent power. Sure there's nothing around us, and we'll do some spinning on the turntable. All clear. Dash is hard to read. There is a current code on here saying water in the fuel filter. It currently sitting at 7559 hours. Working rear camera. Tough to see, but it's there. See if I can get it back though. There we go. Back to the home screen. And here. It does have the Komatsu radio in it. It's lit up, but I'm not hearing or seeing anything. I appreciate you taking time to watch this video. Hope it was beneficial to you. Like I said, welcome you to come look it over for yourself. Just give us a call, and as always, see our full and update inventory online, www.i35equipment.com. Oh, let's go and track it before we go. Tracking pretty good. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day.